friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to speak a few sentences on our country, India. So before we start today's video, make sure to watch the video till end and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. So let's start. India is my country. It is also known as Hindustan and Bharat. It is located in the south of the Asian continent. It is the seventh largest country in the world. India shares its boundaries with several countries like China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Our country is surrounded and well protected by natural features like the Himalayan mountains in the north, Arabian Sea in the west, Indian Ocean in the south, and the Bay of Bengal in the east. India is a democratic country and ranks second for its population. It is famous for its great culture and traditional values all across the world. Here people belonging to different religions like Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs and Christians lives in harmony with each other. India has diversity in language, food, clothes, culture and tradition. That is why it is famous for the common saying of unity in diversity. India is admired across the world for its rich culture and tradition. I love my country and I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye.